Today in class, we did some excellent revision of introduction to gas laws, and the way we do this is green ink. The way for marking, the way we do this is we like to put a lot of extra. We do a bunch of sort of hands-on experiences, and from those hands-on experiences, we then throw out some observations, and then we do a what why. So in a what why, we get the students to write what they did, what happened. So what they did usually includes like a diagram, stuff like that. What happened is like, what did they observe? That's their observations. And then we throw in a why, and the why is explaining why. And after they've done this, because they've had a little bit of a talk about gas laws, they're going to relate this to gas laws. They're going to relate to particle theory. But my favorite part of this is always the can. You get a can of soft drink, soda can, and you put a little bit of water, you heat it up so that the gas gets hot and it starts to expand, and then you invert it and you drop it in some cold water, and the cold water then cools down. Now, when this works, it's spectacular, and the kids really, I always forget how exciting they find it. Like, they're, whoa, it's really fun. But it often it doesn't work, and that's mostly because it can be tricky, right? Like, particularly if you're in a small group, if your lab partner's away and you're doing it on your own, it can be really tricky to invert that can and pop it up. And the reason I'm uploading this one is I want other teachers to see it and take away that when an experiment doesn't work, there's usually just as much to learn from that, okay? So sometimes that stuff works, sometimes it doesn't. And when it doesn't, it's still always really exciting. Anyway, so I'll attach these at the end. There's fun. The first couple work really well, and then there's some cool little bits at the end. All right. I hope that you find this helpful as a teacher. If you're a student watching this, like, cool, whatever. Just watch the little bit where the cans get crushed. I mean, whatever. Spoilers. But if you're a teacher, just my thoughts on this are that even when it goes wrong, part of the job, part of the dance of being a teacher is finding something to pull out of it. And usually it's on the fly because you expect it to work. And then it doesn't. You're like, so that's good. Anyway, this is what we did today, and it was fun.
Ready?
Oh, that was good.
Put it upside down and...
Nice.
Hold it there with the top bit.
Okay, I didn't get it.
We have like
Okay. Come on, son, you got this. I have faith. I don't have faith. What happened? Go, Sam, go, Sam.
Oh, baby girl.
No, why is he going the wrong way? Turn it. Stop touching the hot!
There we go.
No! All right, here's your observation. No, it's all right. Here's your observation. Pick it up.
Pick it up upside
With this,
down.
and see if it's heavier or lighter than it was before. It's way heavier, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so when he puts it down, it gets way heavier. There's observations for all of you to make.